Hi, this is Josh from Faithful Family Investments. This is our risk disclaimer. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and configure the templates for the fully automated robot, the continuation trade. We've got our 5-minute chart configured. If we right click anywhere on the chart, you can select strategies. You should see the continuation trade here and the most up-to-date version that you downloaded from the website. We're going to double click on the continuation trade. That's going to add it down here. Next, we're going to go down to the bottom right and click on Template. And the first thing we need to do is save the default template. So click on Save, and we're going to save whatever it has in there as the default. Click on Save. Now we can download the templates. So if we go to the member area, and then scroll down to the bottom, you should see templates there. If you don't see them, then you'll need to log in. All our templates are in one zip file, and so we can click on Download Now. We need to unzip these, so I'm going to click on this little arrow and click on Open. I'm using Google Chrome. Your browser might be a little bit different. So you want to go to the folder where you download this zip file. You want to go to the root of that folder, which in my case is the Downloads folder. And we're going to right click and we're going to choose Extract All. So NinjaTrader can't use a zip file for templates. It can for the strategy, but not for the templates. So choose Extract All. Have it extract the same place. It's fine. Now we're going to copy these. And we need to move them into a folder. So we'll click on Copy. We're going to go to Documents. And then NinjaTrader 8. And then Templates. And then Strategy. And here you should see the continuation trade, the most up-to-date version there. Double click on that. And here we can paste in the templates that we just extracted. Once again, they have to be unzipped and they have to be in this folder for them to show up in NinjaTrader. So now we can go back to NinjaTrader and we click on template and we go to load. We should see five or six different options here. I'm going to choose continuation trade aggressive settings. And we'll go through some of these settings here for a more detailed explanation of the settings. You can see that documentation in the member area. So the first one, to email, is if you like to receive an email notification every time a trade is placed, you can put your email address in there. You want to make sure that enable text and enable tick data series is unchecked if you're going to be backtesting. These are all the default settings for the aggressive settings or aggressive template. At the bottom here, you want to make sure that the data input is at NQ and the most recent contract. The account is currently on Sim 101, so that'll simulate. If you wanted to run it on a live account, then you just select a live account here using the drop-down arrow. Once you have all the settings configured the way you want them, you click on Enable here. If Enable doesn't enable the if you click on it, it doesn't do anything. It's usually because you're not connected. So you go to connections and make sure you're connected there. But once the settings are set up the way you want them, then you can click on apply. It'll give you this warning saying that it could generate orders automatically. That's what we want it to do. And I'll click on OK. And then we'll click on OK again. It takes, depending on your connection, a few seconds, maybe longer to load. And then you should see the indicators load. It'll plot any trades that were placed recently as well.